What's up, guys? Ever had your check engine light turn on and had no idea what it means? That can be frustrating and expensive if you run straight to the mechanic. Today on Tech Kingo, we are talking about the best OBD2 diagnostic tools for car that help you understand your vehicle before spending money. It is powerful, practical, and built for serious diagnostics. Let's get started. Up next is the Ansell VD700 OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. Ansell designed the VD700 as a robust handheld scanner made especially for 12-volt 16-pin systems in brands like Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, Seat, Bentley, Lamborghini, Bugatti, and more. If you own one of these vehicles, this tool is built to speak its language. The Ansell VD700 allows you to check the full system status of your car. That means you can read and clear error codes across different systems, not just basic engine faults. You can also turn off the malfunction indicator light quickly after fixing the issue. This gives you control and saves you unnecessary trips to the workshop, but it goes beyond simple code reading. The VD700 supports important maintenance functions like oil service reset, electronic parking brake reset, throttle position check, and battery reset. These features are very useful after routine maintenance. Instead of relying only on a service center, you can handle many tasks yourself with confidence. With full OBD and EOBD scanning capabilities, the tool provides detailed descriptions of diagnostic trouble codes. You do not just see a number, you get information that helps you understand what is wrong. It can also erase codes and reset monitors easily, turning off the check engine light once the problem is solved. Another strong feature is live data stream monitoring. The Ansell VD700 can read and display real-time ECU and PCM data. It even shows data in graph form, which makes it easier to understand patterns and spot irregular behavior. It also stores freeze-frame data. That means it records vehicle conditions at the exact moment a fault occurs. This helps with more accurate troubleshooting. The I&M readiness status feature is especially useful before emissions testing. It tells you whether the emission-related systems are ready for inspection. This can prevent surprises during official checks. The tool can also retrieve important vehicle information like VIN, CID, and CVN, which adds even more convenience. The Ansell VD700 offers fast scanning speed and lifetime free online updates, so it stays current with improvements. It does not require an internal battery, which keeps the design simple and reliable. Overall, the Ansell VD700 OBD2 diagnostic tool combines system-wide diagnostics, service reset functions, live data monitoring, and practical features in one compact device. It gives car owners and enthusiasts more control over maintenance and troubleshooting. Want to take better control of your car's health? Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.